Welcome to the path of prosperity, where we unlock the secrets to building a financial legacy that will echo through generations. Imagine a future where your family's wealth isn't just a dream, but a lasting reality. In this video, we unveil 15 concrete steps to achieve generational wealth, revealing strategies used by the world's most successful families. Buckle up and subscribe to this channel because by the end, you'll not only understand the blueprint to financial longevity, but you'll also have a game plan to secure your family's financial future. Get ready to transform your financial destiny. This is the roadmap to generational wealth you've been waiting for. 1. Invest in land. One of the foundational strategies for building generational wealth is investing in land. Land is a unique asset because its value tends to appreciate over time. The Earth isn't making more land, and as the global population grows, the demand for space increases. By purchasing land, you're essentially securing a piece of a finite resource. This makes it an excellent store of value that can be passed down through generations. Unlike personal wealth, which can be quickly depleted, land's illiquid nature discourages frivolous spending, making it an ideal choice for long-term financial stability. 2. Buy cash-flowing property. Another key pillar of generational wealth is acquiring cash-flowing properties, such as rental apartments, commercial spaces, or hotels. This strategy mirrors the principles of the classic board game Monopoly. Buy properties, hold onto them, and collect income over time. By investing in at least 2 rental properties, you establish a reliable source of passive income that can sustain your family for years to come. What's even better is passing down this knowledge to your children, teaching them the importance of creating their own income streams through real estate investments. As long as you avoid significant setbacks and unforeseen expenses, this approach can lead to a growing portfolio of assets that perpetually benefit your family's financial future. 3. Build an evergreen business. Another critical component of generational wealth is the creation of an evergreen business. This means establishing a business that can withstand the test of time and continue to thrive for generations. Think about iconic companies like Boeing, Hilton, or Ferrari, all named after their founders and still going strong today. To achieve this, it's essential to view your business as a legacy, with the potential to become synonymous with your family name. The key is to take your business seriously, keep innovating, and adapt to changing times. By doing so, you can ensure that your family not only inherits a thriving business, but also has the tools and mindset to maintain and expand it over time. 5. Invest in S&P 500. Another proven strategy for building generational wealth is to invest in the S&P 500. The S&P 500, or Standard & Poor's 500, is a stock market index that measures the stock performance of 500 of the largest companies listed on stock exchanges in the United States. Historically, the S&P 500 has delivered consistent returns averaging around 6% per year. It's an excellent choice for those who prefer a passive investment approach. By holding on to your investments in the S&P 500 over the long term, you can potentially secure a solid financial foundation that can benefit your family for generations to come. Consider it a cornerstone of your wealth-building strategy, providing stability and growth opportunities in the ever-changing financial landscape. 5. Buy, borrow, die. An intriguing strategy for building generational wealth is the buy, borrow, die approach. The premise is simple but effective. First, you acquire assets that appreciate in value over time, such as real estate or stocks. Then, instead of selling these assets when you need cash, you borrow against them. This strategy allows you to access funds without triggering capital gains taxes. As long as you use the borrowed money wisely, such as reinvesting or acquiring more income-producing assets, you can continue to grow your wealth. Finally, when you pass away, your heirs receive a stepped-up cost basis, potentially minimizing the tax impact when they eventually sell the assets. Buy, borrow, die is a clever way to ensure that your wealth continues to flourish and benefit future generations. 6. Invest in Bitcoin. In the digital age, another avenue to consider for generational wealth is investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold, has gained popularity as a store of value and hedge against economic uncertainty. Its limited supply and increasing adoption make it an attractive asset. By allocating a portion of your wealth to cryptocurrencies, you provide a potential financial safeguard for your family. With global economic fluctuations, inflation concerns, and the rise of digital assets, Bitcoin offers an opportunity for your wealth to transcend generations. While it may carry some risk, It's an option worth exploring for those looking to diversify their wealth and secure a lasting legacy in the digital realm. 7. Precious metals and gemstones. Precious metals and gemstones hold historical significance as forms of portable wealth. While they might not be as dynamic as other investments, they can play a role in preserving generational wealth. Traditionally, families passed down jewelry as a means of portable wealth that could be pawned or sold in emergencies. While the modern world may view them more as status symbols, their value remains. Consider them as a safety net in case of unforeseen economic shifts or a return to older, less stable financial systems. However, it's essential to remember that their value can be affected by factors such as supply and demand, so their role should be well thought out within your wealth preservation strategy. 8. Invest in art and collectibles. Diversifying your wealth portfolio can involve investing in art and collectibles, which have a unique appeal due to their potential for appreciation over time. These items often hold a certain intrinsic value, driven by desire and rarity. While they may not be as predictable as financial assets, their intangible value can make them attractive. Art, in particular, has stood the test of time as a wealth store. While it may require expertise and careful curation, it can become a valuable addition to your generational wealth strategy. The key is to select pieces that have the potential to be sought after for decades to come, allowing your family to inherit not only financial assets, but also cultural and artistic treasures. 9. Never stop earning and minimize taxes. Ensuring generational wealth involves a two-pronged approach: continuous income generation and strategic tax planning. While your investments grow, you should never cease pursuing opportunities to earn, not just for monetary gains, but for the purpose and fulfillment that work provides. However, it's equally vital to minimize tax liabilities legally by incorporating your financial endeavors and effectively deducting expenses. You can optimize your tax position. Furthermore, teaching your children the nuances of wealth management and tax efficiency is crucial for preserving the family's financial legacy. This way, you can ensure that your wealth remains not just intact, but also positioned for growth across generations. 10. Perpetually compound wealth and knowledge. The power of compounding extends beyond financial assets. It includes the compounding of knowledge. Both elements play a pivotal role in building generational wealth. Continuously grow your wealth by reinvesting earnings, managing assets wisely, and making informed financial decisions. Simultaneously, never stop learning and expanding your knowledge base. The more you understand about various aspects of wealth management, investment strategies, and financial markets, the better equipped you are to make prudent choices that benefit your family's long-term financial stability. Generational wealth isn't just about preserving capital. It's about ensuring that future generations have the wisdom and resources to build upon that foundation. 11. Choose your spouse wisely. The choice of a life partner can significantly impact your journey toward building generational wealth. Marriage without proper financial planning, such as prenuptial agreements, can lead to the splitting of assets in the event of divorce, potentially compromising your wealth. Moreover, the number of children you have can influence the inheritance and financial legacy you leave behind. Strategic family planning, especially considering the impact on wealth distribution, becomes paramount. In essence, selecting the right spouse and approaching family planning with foresight can help safeguard your financial legacy for future generations. 12. Mentor your kids. Passing down the knowledge and values required to manage wealth is a crucial aspect of creating generational wealth. As a parent, you play a pivotal role in mentoring your children, equipping them with the skills and mindset needed for financial success. This includes teaching them about responsible financial management, investing, and entrepreneurship. By instilling these principles and nurturing their financial acumen, you empower your children to continue the family's legacy of wealth building. Effective mentoring ensures that your heirs not only inherit wealth, but also possess the capabilities to sustain and grow it, ultimately preserving your financial legacy for generations to come. 13. Establish trusts and plan your estate. Protecting and managing your wealth across generations often involves the use of trusts and comprehensive estate planning. Trusts are legal entities designed to safeguard assets and control their distribution based on specific conditions or criteria. These mechanisms allow you to ensure that your wealth is not only passed on to your heirs, but is also protected from excessive taxation. Trusts can be structured in various ways to align with your family's unique circumstances and goals. Estate planning, on the other hand, involves creating a comprehensive plan for the distribution of your assets after your passing. When executed correctly, these strategies minimize the financial impact of inheritance taxes and legal complications, preserving a more substantial portion of your wealth for your descendants. 14. Implement the 5% rule. A key financial rule for preserving generational wealth is the 5% rule. This rule dictates that you should withdraw no more than 5% of your wealth annually to maintain financial sustainability. By adhering to this principle, you ensure that your assets continue to grow and provide for your family over the long term. This strategy takes into account the growth potential of your investments and aims to strike a balance between enjoying the fruits of your labor and preserving your wealth for future generations. It's a disciplined approach that helps maintain financial stability and ensures that your legacy endures for your heirs. 15. Embrace a multi-generational mindset. The ultimate key to building and preserving generational wealth lies in embracing a multi-generational mindset. Recognize that the wealth you accumulate today can have a profound impact on your descendants for generations to come. It's not just about amassing riches, it's about imparting values, knowledge, and financial wisdom to your children and grandchildren. As a parent, you aim to create opportunities for your offspring, not just by handing them wealth on a silver platter, but by equipping them with the skills and mindset necessary to sustain and grow that wealth. Foster a sense of responsibility and stewardship within your family, encouraging each generation to contribute, innovate, and build upon the financial foundation you've established. By nurturing this multi-generational approach, you ensure that your legacy endures, solidifying your family's financial well-being for centuries, much like the enduring legacies of some of the world's wealthiest and most successful families. Now, this is the real deal, folks. Building generational wealth is a journey, and it starts with your actions today. So, are you ready to create a lasting legacy for your family? Drop the word legacy in the comments below and let's continue the conversation. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video valuable, make sure to subscribe to our channel and join our amazing community of like-minded individuals. We're here to help you on your journey to generational wealth.